example of charging and taxability of money. Suppose you are making an exchange of money and you are not charging from your friend, but the same you have taken few dollars and you have given Indian rupees. But the same dollar, if they are exchanging through certain bank and bank is charging certain charges, then in that case, even though supply of money will be part and parcel of definition of supply, and the GST will be chargeable to them, and the GST will be chargeable to them. Okay. So even the supply of money, securities, all are important, but there has to be some consideration. There has to be some consideration. Okay. Furtherness of business, I have already explained it to you. Continuation of business made by the taxable person, because here they have not considered SSC and all such complicated definition. They have made the act very simple. They have taken rather the definition of taxable person, the person who is liable to pay tax, or GST as taxable person. Okay, so supply includes all form of supply of goods and services or both, such as sale, transfer, barter exchange, license, renter, lease, disposal. Even we are doing the scrap and those things, that also covered as a supply. Okay, made or agreed to be made for a consideration by a person in the course or furtherance of business. This is how they incorporated everything in the definition of supply. Everything in the purview of definition of supply. Okay. It also includes money, securities. There has to be consideration and by a taxable person. Now, supply was defined under section 7, but different types of supply is defined under section 8. Now you have to be very particular about different sections, as I have already intimated you. Sections plays very vital role when it comes to understanding the entire GST. Okay, so in this they have explained different types of supply: composite supply, mixed supply, etc. Okay, can anybody explain what is the concept of composite supply? What you understand about it? Any of you? Okay. See, that is why these definitions are very, very important. Say, for example, when we are buying a mobile phone, when we are buying a mobile phone, along with the mobile phone, yes, I have already intimated them. If you are not finding the student whose roll number is before their first name, mark them absent. Very simple. We are not going to scratch our head every lecture explaining these things. After few months, they will be going to join certain companies. So we are helpless now. I don't have that much of patience. Every lecture, I'm going to teach them this silly thing. I know. There are certain crowd who don't want to change them. So let us change ourselves. Let us change ourselves. So along with the mobile phone, we get the hands-free, we get the charger. But whereas these hands-free and charger again sellable separately. So in this, there is a principal supply which I have explained you in the first definition, and there are other composite supply. Those ancillary products which are very important. So this is how the definition of composite supply, and these all definitions, please write down in your book. Very important, whether the exams will be online or offline. These things will definitely be there. So the composite supply, as per section 8, means the supply made by the taxable person to a recipient comprises two or more taxable goods or services, or both or combination thereof, are naturally bundled. Okay, they have to sell together, they cannot sell separately. Okay, in their ordinary course of business, and one amongst them is a principal supply. Out of them, one has leads. Okay, such this means the composite supply of goods or services both are bundled owing the natural necessities. Because mobile phone, if I am selling without the charger, nobody is going to buy such mobile phone. If I am selling the television without the remote, nobody is going to buy such kind of television. Many a times they are having warranty, maintenance, everything, installation. So warranty, maintenance, these all are ancillary things. The principal thing is what? Television. Why this definition is very important? Because GST will be charged on principal supply. GST will be charged. Very important, I'm telling you. When the exam point of view, it's very important. And you will realize the GST will be charged on principal supply rate, not on the composite supply rate. Suppose there are, like I told you just now, right? Best example, take the example of your mobile phone. Okay, and you must be knowing the mobile phone rate of tax is 18%, whereas the charger of mobile phone or the hands-free rate of tax is 9%, 5% subsequently. When we are selling entire bundle of goods, okay, together, then for all the goods, all the things, okay, the chargeability of tax, or suppose there is a warranty on those mobile phones. Okay, Samsung has a warranty of if there is a screen uh, damage, etc., etc. So those services has a rate of tax 5%. But when we are selling those products, it will be of 18%. Why? Because principal goods has a tax rate of 18%. Okay, not the composite one. So all these definitions, as and when I'm taking, please either take a screenshot or write on your notebook. Very important. And if you ask, sir, I'm writing, give me some time, I will always give you a time to write down, and then we will have the so you want time? Okay, fine. So wait, go for from here. First write down supply, then we'll proceed further. Write down this entire definition. Other definitions, please you write down with your own. Okay, you can get it anywhere, as well as you can get it on my book also for your reference. Let me explain. It's available in first semester. When you have seen the website, there were some around 30,000 hits. Now it is more than 75 क्रॉस कर गए थे हम लोग. Sorry, next time I will go directly to the book wala. देखो, now it is 78,000. I think by this year end, definitely I'm going to cross 1 lakh. It is a very, very good hit for a website of a personal nature. So here it is, your book available. It consists everything. Theory, practical, everything is there. Again, we are thankful to our student who is modifying, editing the book. These are the page number as per the syllabus. I have mentioned where, what things you can get. These are basics. And if at all it will be theoretical exam, these theory are very, very vital. Interstate, intrastate, we have done lot of practice also. These are the definitions, business ka definition, 217. It should have on your notebook consideration 100%. These things will be asked if at all there is offline exam. Framework, GSTN, everything. So please, you can refer all these things. Now let us take the definition of supply. Once you write, let me know. Then we'll proceed further. Then we will go for composite supply. Then we will go for mixed supply. And then we will have, as we were having earlier, I have a question. So now every lecture is the most important lecture. These are the questions which we are going to deal. So let us start with supply. So now every lecture is important, and any day I can ask from you all, kindly show me your notebook. You can get it from there. Supply is done. Only Sanover has asked, and she has completed also. What about others? Ruchi also has written, because only her video I can make out. Baki to Payal also completed. Kajal, few more students, just update me, then I'll proceed further. I hope you must have registered yourself for the placement link which has been forwarded to your class, because this year you must have read the placement policy, because the placement will be provided only to those students who is going to register under placement test. We are not going to communicate to other students. Very clear. And believe me, it will help us to place you in subsequent year also. Today we are having more number of placement of last year students, because corporates are very keen that your study should be over and such students should be placed. So it will be a very good database for the college, as well as it will be very good helping hand for you all. Many students who got the job in Bank of America and all, this is a dream come true. They had the opening in Ahmedabad. They have shifted immediately. They accepted that offer because one tag of Bank of America going to make them a big. And in this scenario, so till 15th it is there. Kindly register. It's very important. Then section 8, which talks about different types of supply, composite, mixed and beam. Now you can write composite supply. Once it is over, please let me know. Thank you, Sanovar. Should we go for the next mix supply? Yes, let us finish. Only difference is here it is a similar kind of product. The best example I can give you the Cadbury, which is selling all together different products and in highest rate. Suppose in Cadbury they have Dairy Milk also, Five Star also, etc., etc. Amongst them, whichever is having highest rate of GST will be the rate for entire mix supply. Only to have this rate of tax applicability, these definitions are the most definitions. These explanations are the most important explanations, and that is why separate section has been allotted for them. You must have seen nowadays in festive season the box of sweets, several kind of sweets together they are selling. So amongst them, whatever had a highest rate will be applicable. Please finish fast.
जल्दी पीना बेटा.
We have very little time now.
जल्दी जल्दी. वो खाने नहीं दूंगी यार.